Hi, I'm Donna, and I went solar with Freedom 2 years ago. We got a battery because we wanted to make sure that we had a backup power source just in case we ever needed it. We recently had a really severe wind event here in Southern California. Of course, it made national news because of the terrible fires that happened in Altadena. But here in our county, we are in a fire zone, and Edison turned off all of our power to make sure that there were no fire incidents. And so we were without power for 2 weeks. Our entire neighborhood was completely black, except for our house. Our house was lit up. When the power first went out, we didn't even realize it because our battery kicked on right away. It wasn't until we looked outside and we saw, hey, the whole street is black, that we realized, oh, let's check our phones and check the battery and realize, hey, we're off the grid. We were blown away by us being able to just live our regular lives, and the battery sustained us all night long. And then in the morning when the sun came up, we were able to do our regular laundry and cooking, everything that we needed to do. It was really easy to monitor through the app what we were doing, where the energy was going, and how we could make sure it lasted throughout the entire blackout. So many of our neighbors were talking about the battery. They do these preventative shutoffs because of wind events, and we get Santa Ana winds every single year. So now that we know that is the solution that Edison goes to prevent a fire, I think most people are going to consider it, because you just can't pause your life for 4 or 5 days not knowing when the power is going to come back on. We can't control the wind, and so the best thing to do is to be prepared. But I was so grateful that my whole entire house was powered. I think this is the future. If you are reliant in any way on energy, especially if medical devices or anything like that, you need to be prepared. And as we're seeing more and more, things are changing, and I think do it.